So I was just chatting with you guys while I was finishing my oatmeal, but I don't know if I was recording any of it, so we'll chat again. Essentially, I was saying that Grayson must be really, really tired from daycare because he normally does not sleep in this long, but I'm gonna take advantage and get some things done this morning. So I fed the dog and took a shower, and then I checked in with you guys. So I just finished my breakfast and I figured I'll take you along for the day. We are going to be meeting up with family for lunch and potentially looking at a property, but I did drink the Kool-Aid. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but I ended up buying the fridge containers to like make your refrigerator beautiful. Everyone on YouTube just has such pretty refrigerators. I want a pretty refrigerator. I don't know that I got the right containers, but I will try to take you along and do that today as well. I'm gonna go check on my son, see if he's still sleeping. If he is, we'll dive right into the refrigerator and get that done. But in general, we don't really have much planned today. I need to get some chores done around the house, meeting up with the family, like I said, and I need to edit the video that you're watching. I need to do a better job, honestly, of telling you guys that I upload Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. That's always been my schedule. Well, I say always, but I've only been doing this for a couple months. But that is my schedule, so I always upload at 9 a.m. Central so that you guys know when to expect new content from me, but I'm not good at saying that. And I need to start putting it in my description box as well. But I always upload on Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. Central if you're looking for a new video from me. But I would really like to start vlogging more. I love watching vlogs. They're one of my favorite things to do. I just need to get better at filming them. But I will get there. I will get there. Also, it may have cut off before. I apologize for my voice. I am still getting over being sick. You are probably going to hear this beautiful nasally mess for the next couple of weeks. Yeah, it's gonna linger for a while. Let's check on the baby, and if he's doing good, let's dive into that refrigerator. Okay guys, we're all done. So let's do a quick little tour. I actually really like these. I'm really excited. I didn't do anything on the door. That's all condiments, drinks that are too large. We have a bread bin. So we always keep our bread in the fridge because we don't eat it quite fast enough. So that's gonna stay there. I transferred the carrots into a larger one because normally we have a lot more carrots in this. And quite honestly, they're not gonna fit in this little one. So carrots. This is a jar that I keep jars that are going to expire up here so they're right in our faces and tell us that we need to eat them. Currant butter and a backup. This is nuts. We normally have a whole bunch of pre-portioned nuts. We don't have very many right now, but this should be a good size container for it. And then my boyfriend has some Reese's Pieces. My lunch bag. We have some water in the back, baby water, infant water, whatever you want to call it. I have a drawer of dairy products, which is awesome. So I've got all our cheeses and yogurts in there. I used to keep dairy in here with little like to-go condiment things. But now, this I like so much better because it's easier to see. This I will use for baked potatoes when we have them. I do have an egg container, but I want to save this for hard-boiled eggs. And the normal eggs I'll just keep in the normal container. This is just veggies and fruits, so fruits, vegetables, but not really much in there. And then this is what I'm most excited about. I really wanted to separate the raw meat from the ready-to-eat meat. So I do have lunch meat that's already in containers, and then I have the already pre-cooked meat, and then raw meat will be in its own little container. So that's great, especially if this ends up leaking or anything. Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and repopulate drinks on here, but I am very excited. I really like the progress of this. I understand why people like these containers now, especially if you had kids and you had a lot more snacks. I could really see the allure. So let's just get this door pre-populated. Good morning, baby boy. Are you playing? Are you in here playing? Come here. So we have had an epic amount of laundry. I wanted to go through and wash all of the soft surfaces in our house with being sick. And yeah, we just generate a lot of laundry in general. So in combination with that, I have put away at least 5 loads. I have 2 loads here that I'm about to go through. A load in the dryer, a load in the wash, and at least 1 more load left to do. So let's go ahead and let's tackle that. I'm gonna watch some YouTube myself and let Grayson play a little bit. So I finished putting away the laundry. Now I'm going to do a little bit of makeup so I look a little bit more put together for the day. If you've seen my cleaning video, I ended up taking the organizer for my nail polish, moving it into the bathroom. So now I can see all the things that I normally would have kept into drawers, and I really like the little setup. It's kind of high, to be honest, to reach everything, but I really like it. Hey guys, we are back at the house now. I didn't really vlog while we were out. We were with family, and I still feel weird making other people go on the internet. Because I choose to do this doesn't mean that everyone else wants to do it. So I didn't really vlog, but we ended up going to lunch with some family and then ran over by some other family's house. I did not end up wrapping this, so I'm going to wrap it now. I know that she wants one, so it's exciting to be able to get it for her. But I'm just gonna wrap this and kind of chit chat with you guys. Bubba had one good nap while we were out, but he definitely needs to go down for another nap. It's getting a little bit later in the afternoon. I think it's like 3:30, 4 o'clock at this point, so he may or may not nap. But after I get this done, switch around the laundry, put the last load away, and try to get him down, pretty much call it a day. My boyfriend's gonna be framing out the basement, which you will get an updated bathroom renovation status video coming here shortly. So I'm going to call it a vlog here, just because probably not going to be doing much other than chores around the house here. And I won't be able to chat with you if he's framing, because it'll be way too loud. I have so many bows, and it's really funny because out of all the bows I have, I had no gold bows, which was very interesting. So I'm gonna do this paper with a white one, and I think that will look cute. How many of you guys out there have colds? Seems like everyone this year is getting sick. I thought I was gonna skate by and not get sick, but my little one started daycare and he brought home a nice, beautiful virus and gave it to me as well. Sharing is caring. But hopefully it'll go away here soon. It's just those coughs and the throats and everything that lingers. There we go, guys. Her present. If she's okay with it, I will film her reaction for you. But don't hold your breath. I don't think she's gonna want to be on camera. And there we go. We have our gift done. House is clean. Going to switch around the dishwasher that you saw me load up, switch around the laundry, put the next load of clothes away, and hang out with my little man until at least his father gets done with the basement. then they will probably hang out for a little while and I will try to edit this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed my, I think this is only the second vlog I'm posting. I've probably tried to vlog maybe 10 times now, but I think I've only actually posted 1, maybe 2 vlogs. So we'll see if this one makes it on the internet. But if you're watching, made the cut. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.